Number 3. So we've got write the equation in vertex form for this graph that we have over here. So vertex form, again, I've got to remember what vertex form looks like. So it's the y equals a times, then in parentheses, x minus h squared plus k. So I need to find the vertex. Well, the nice thing is the vertex is kind of easy to find. It is the turning point, which we know very well. So the point here, I'm 2 on the x, and I am -1 on the y. In order to go through and then come up with the equation of what the parabola looks like, I need to have the vertex, so let's put a little v here to label that that's the vertex, and then I need a point somewhere. I'm going to choose this one, see how it intersects nicely at that location. So we've got point P. Point P is located at 1, 2. All right, so excuse me. So right here, this is H. Here's K. Here's an X value, and here's a Y value. So now as I look through here, I've got my vertex and I've got my other point. So my vertex is located at 2, -1. It's a 1. You get the idea. And then my other point is located at 1, 2. So we take that information and we're going to substitute it in to this equation, because now the only thing that's missing, I've got y, I've got x, I've got h, I got k, I'm missing a. So substitute the values in. So if you look here, this is my y, that's right there. X is 1. Then I take this and substitute the h in, take this and substitute the k in. From here, all we're going to do is just solve. So I'll scroll up a little bit here. 1 minus 2, well, that's going to be -1. So now I've got the equation here, made the adjustment. I got to take -1, I have to square it. So that's going to be 1. Well, what's 1 times a? It's just going to be a. Now I got to get a completely by itself, so therefore I need to add 1 to both sides. I get that a is 3. So now I have all the information I need to make a generic, basically equation, or just the equation that gives me the entire parabola. So I've got now a, and if I scroll back up here, I've got my vertex, so I have h and k. Take the values, substitute them into the locations, put 3 where the a was, put the 2 where h is, and the -1 where k is. And that's it. There's nothing else I need to do. That's the equation of this parabola that's up here. And we're done. All right, next.